Welcome to Sunwick Steel. Sunwick Steel, the first integrated steel plant built on an area spanning 50 acres with the state-of-the-art technologies, leverages cutting-edge German technology in the manufacturing products, creating a product par excellence. So let's go and check out this amazing factory. And as we say, man of steel, always fly. Now, we are going to know how steel is made. It's made from iron ore, but how iron ore is converted into steel? These are iron ore pellets, which are taken as input for sponge making. These are coal fines, which are injected into the kiln from one end. This is nut coal. This goes along with the iron ore inside the kiln. This is dolomite, which is used for scavenging of sulfur. When all these raw materials are fed in rotary kiln, they move from one end to the other end for approximately 40 meters. The kiln is maintained at 1000 degrees centigrade, reducing atmosphere. The oxygen in the iron pellets gets released through this, and the pellets get converted from non-magnetic state into magnetic state. At the end of the process, the iron ore is converted into sponge, which is still at 900 degrees centigrade. Later, it is transported into the bunkers where it is cooled with water sprinklers on the exterior. The sponge iron is cooled down to 100 degrees centigrade and transported through conveyor belt in product house. Sponge is processed with additional elements to manufacture billets as per the BIS standard quality. We check the composition of molten alloy before billet casting. The spectrum wavelength is measured to check the quality. If there is any complication, then the corrective measures are taken to get the desired quality of the metal before feeding it into continuous casting machine. The billets thus manufactured are tested again and then rolled into TMT steel bars of standard sizes. So I'm at Sunwick Steel and today we learned how you convert this iron ore, this is the natural iron ore, into this hot steel. And I'm with the director, Ravi Murarka, and Deputy Director Samir. Sir, welcome to the show and thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming to our plant.
So, first question, how did Sunwick Steel start and what was the inspiration behind starting Sunwick Steel?
The owners of Sunwick Steel, Mr. Vivek Kejriwal, he is having 3 generations of experience and they are in steel. To provide pure, good steel,
right,
and the good quantity, good quality to the consumer, they started Sunwick Steel. And that is the main motto.
One more thing you told me, आप Indian coal तो use करते ही नहीं, आप South African coal use करते हो?
Yes, since Indian coal is not available, second reason is Indian coal is having around 30+% of ash.
Ash.
Yes, whereas the South African coal is having only around 6 to 10% ash.
Okay.
So that is, yes, that is the reason we are using imported coal.
What's unique about Sunwick Steel?
Sunwick stands for quality, green product and timely delivery to the consumer, to the dealers.
This is not just steel, this is green steel by Sunwick Steel. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us.
Thank you very much.
Now this is something really unique and people are loving this. And what is the speciality of these bricks?
This specialty is made out of fly ash, what we generate in our process, in our power plant. And then a steel slag, which is generated in steel making. And then there is a bed material that is generated in power plant. All is waste which is generated inside the plant. We are using to make these blocks, which are 3 times more stronger than the conventional block which is available in the market.
Recycled. That means green blocks for you, for your homes. Sunwick Blocks. Sunwick Steel से घर बनाते रहो, inner strength बढ़ाते रहो और Super Hits 93.5 Red FM
बजाते रहो।
Red FM 93.5